Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to screen share from a Google Pixel phone. I'll demonstrate using a Google Pixel 10, but the process is the same for all Google Pixels. Now, before you flood the comments, let me clarify. Google Pixels only screen share with Chromecast or Google Cast enabled TVs and devices. What does this mean? You can't screen share if your TV or device doesn't have Chromecast or Google Cast. So what's the takeaway? If you have a TV like Samsung or LG, you can't screen mirror from a Google Pixel. Google removed Miracast support, which these TVs use for screen sharing. So which devices can I use to screen share with my Google Pixel? For TVs, look for ones with Android or Google TV, like Sony, TCL or Xiaomi models, among others with Google TV. In my case, with an LG TV, I can share my Pixel screen using an external device like the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. So, I know it's a bit tedious, but I wanted to explain this so you're not commenting needlessly and know which devices are compatible. Let's see how sharing works. First, we'll go to the device settings. As you'll see, the interface is the same on a Google TV and a Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, which I'm using, so it'll be the same in any case. Go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Device Preferences. Within Device Preferences, scroll down until you find the Google Cast section. Here, there's not much to do, but if we tap the top option, you'll see three choices: always while casting or never. I suggest leaving it on while sending content so no one can access your device without permission, and don't set it to never or you won't be able to connect. Once set, return to the main menu. Google Cast is now active, so let's move to the phone. On your phone, there are two ways to access screen sharing. The first and easiest method is through the quick settings. Just swipe down twice and look for the Cast option. If you tap Cast, you'll see your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick device listed. If you don't see this option in quick settings, you can access it through the main settings. Swipe up and find the settings menu. In settings, tap on Connected Devices. In Connected Devices, under Connection Preferences. Within Connection Preferences, we'll go to Google Cast. As you can see, both paths lead to the Xiaomi Stick device, so we'll simply tap on it. It asks what to send, an app or the entire screen. In this case, we'll choose to send the entire screen. You can select just one app, but let's send the whole screen and tap Send Screen. As you can see, it's now connecting. We'll give it a few seconds. Connected. And there we have it. As you can see, our Google Pixel 10 appears on the screen. Note that the phone shows the screen sharing duration at the top. To stop sharing, just swipe down from the top and tap Disconnect. This unlinks the phone from the TV and we can use the device again. Well guys, that's it for this video. As always, I hope this has been helpful. If so, please like, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.